Good afternoon. It's September 19th, 2025, and I got the weekly chart up here. Um, so we closed out the week very strong, and yeah, the upside now is 6,800 in this channel that I'm looking at. On the daily chart, finished with the tail on top. Um, so let's take a look at the 2,700 tick chart. So, we were really working in yesterday's range. Uh, Pretty much the whole day until this rally started at about 8:30 and just lasted for the rest of the day. Got a little bit of a sell-off that created that tail on top. Uh, so let's take a look. So we rallied in the overnight, and I think it's reasonable for someone to expect a test of this high. So when we make this double bottom here, I think these are reasonable entries. And we do make a double top, and then we just go sideways for a while, and then we make a leg down. We break out, bear breakout to the downside. Again, I mean, you're playing. This is a range, so it's not very easy to determine market direction with high probability. But this is a second entry short after a strong bear breakout, two-legged pullback to the EMA. I think it's very reasonable to take this, and you know scalping is very hard, so if you don't want to scalp, just go for a new low or a test of the low, and you get about 1-to-1 risk reward. If you're risking 4 points, you're going to get about a 4 point move, maybe a little more. So anyway, I'm not so sure about any of this. I don't think you want to sell this, and I don't think you want to buy this really. Even though this kind of looks like a double bottom, I think you got to wait for more strength. But check this out. We got a nice tight bull channel right here. So what is this? You got five bar bull micro channel right here. When this pullback closes above the EMA and it didn't tick higher, maybe you just buy. Um, it turns out to be like a 15 bar bull micro channel. And if you look at that as a spike and anticipate a channel after, maybe you just wait for a stronger pullback, boom. But yeah, in these tight, this is a micro channel, man. If you see a small pullback or an attempt at a new low, buy down here, and just figure out how you want to take profits. Like maybe take profits when this thing closes with a tail on top. Now we're in this channel. I don't think you can take this second entry long. It's not clear. Maybe I think it triggers and then it goes down, so it probably scares you. There's a lot of overlap there. I don't know. We already have a new high. Maybe you sit out because that also, yeah, that's at the highs of the day. But when we keep making these higher lows, like this one, I think this one's more, I understand why someone would want to jump in. It's a big bull bar. It's a second entry long. Might not have matched this low, so that is a little bit problematic according to max rules. Then you get a breakout. Could you take these two consecutive bars? I don't think so, but I think there's an argument to be made for this higher low. That pretty much wraps it up. I mean, I think you could argue for this higher low too. Then we sell off, and that's late in the day anyway, so you probably don't want to do it. So I did that pretty quick. I prefer making these quick. So hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back Monday.